What's going on, guys? We're back here again today for another installment in our Project Audi S6 series. Guys, this time around, we're going to be responding to one of the most frequently asked questions I get about the Audi 4.0T platform. So without further ado, let's get started. Now guys, before we get started on our topic for today's video, definitely if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. I've got an excellent library of automotive content. Your support is much appreciated. So we got a question from our buddy Jonathan. Hello, I want to reach out and first thank you, and secondly ask a few questions. Thanks for making content on the 4.0, especially the Audi S6. It's hard to find anything out there, and I'm excited to see what you do and also go over the problems the car has. I recently bought a 2016 S6. It has 74,000 miles, and I know the oil was just changed. I know the 4.0s are known for turbo failure. What would you recommend to stop that from happening? Finally, I want to get an IE Stage 1 tune, but I'm a little scared considering the car already has 74,000 miles. What are your thoughts on this? I plan on hopefully upgrading my turbos next year. I'm in college and hopefully I can save up enough money next summer plus a new heat exchanger. Thanks for any feedback. Can't wait to see what you have in store. I appreciate the question, man. Definitely something that pops up pretty frequently in the 4.0 community. So as far as the S6, S7, S8, RS7, as you guys commonly know, these cars do suffer from catastrophic turbocharger failure as a result of clogged oil screens. I've covered this in several videos, so that's pretty much well established at this point. So to answer your question, man, honestly, if it were me, I'm going to tell you the same thing I tell to all the other enthusiasts, same questions I get asked from customers on a day-to-day basis. I strongly recommend, if you want to do it one and done, if you want to do this right, I would strongly encourage you to skip stage 1 or any stage 2 upgrade. The reason I say this is because you've already got 70,000 plus miles on the car. More than likely, if you start to take things apart, you're going to find that those turbos are going to have a lot of play. So that being said, you switch over to an aftermarket ECU upgrade, you're pushing those turbos a lot harder to make more power. You're really going to accelerate the wear and tear even more so. I'll go ahead and show you guys a picture again of the blown 4.0 turbo bin we've got at the shop. Just a massive collection of all these turbos we keep taking off of 4.0 cars. Common problem, happens all the time. So that being said, guys, I would strongly advise, if you want to do it right, just skip stage 1, skip stage 2, go ahead and address the oil screen. If you decide to delete the oil screen, if you decide you want to do the serviceable oil feed line relocation kit, and while you're in there, you want to make sure you budget to replace the turbos. Now, as far as the IE tune, I think these guys are doing a really good job. I've seen them put out some really impressive products, both on hardware and software. Definitely a new player in the game for the 4-liter platform. I would be curious to see what the future looks like as far as the rest of the upgrades. If they start to do a stage 2 or a hybrid turbo upgrade, that would definitely be something to look forward to. But I believe currently they only have stage 1 software for the 4.0T. I do think that hopefully in the near future they will have some further upgrades for other various bolt-ons like a stage 2 or an RS7 hybrid turbo. I would possibly consider some other options. That way you're not going to limit yourself by only having stage 1. Of course, more than likely, as I've said before, you're probably going to have to replace the turbos. Which, of course, if you're going to be replacing the turbos, you're going to have software to support the new upgraded RS7 turbos. So overall, guys, going full circle, the 4.0T, it is a great platform. You can certainly make a lot of power. You're going to have to take care of your oil screen. You're going to have to take care of your turbos. It's part of the game. As I said in the last video, looking at the full stage 3 cost breakdown, which make sure if you haven't checked it out already, I'll be sure to leave a link right up here. You're going to have to pay to play. You want to make some big boy power? You're going to have to fork over the dough to do it right. Well, thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. I appreciate all the support. Feel free, if you have any questions, send a DM, leave a comment down below. More than happy to help you guys out. Thank you guys so much. I'll be sure to see you all in the next one. Have a great day.